Right then, are you looking to get into a new model Range Rover Sport? You'll know that we buy and sell a lot of these cars. Currently, this is the only one we have available. We sold all the others, but what a car. £66,990 will buy you this D300 Dynamic SE on a 23, June registered, one owner from new. So that gives you warranty with Land Rover until June 2026. This car is fantastic for the money because it's got the options that I think are really important. The 23-inch wheels, the red calipers, the sliding roof. It's also got a really unique colour interior. It looks fantastic. Full Land Rover black pack, giving you wing inserts, bonnet inserts, badges and roof. They're all options. But check out inside, deep garnet red. It's absolutely lovely. One owner, 33,000 miles. Switchable ambient lighting, that's also an option. It's got everything you'd want on one of these cars for a great price. 66,990, it's got to sell straight away. We sold a lot. For me, I can't remember us having one like this with the options this has got for this value. Now then, we'll come back out, Boaz. The wheels, now 23-inch wheels for this car make all the difference. They are diamond cut, silver edge, grey insert, but peeking behind there, a very sporty addition to this car is the red Land Rover braking calipers as an option. The black pack from Land Rover, another feature with the badging, the darker grille, the bottom section, the wing bonnet insert and the roof. That's all an additional feature. You can see there we've got the roof open. That sliding roof for me is a must in one of these cars. It comes with air suspension. It comes with heated front and rear seats. We've then got this lovely boot finisher in black with the black Range Rover badging and assisted tailgate. Plenty of boot space, parcel shelf in place. You can fold the seats electrically and use your air suspension here. But what about this option? Factory deployable tow bar. Now, a lot of requests for these cars to get a tow bar fitted. With this one, you don't need that. It's already there. It drops down electrically. That is a massive option because if you look online and look at these cars as a towing car, they have a really, really great reputation as a tow car. Now, inside to the rear, again, the interior colour is special for me. I like, I don't know what it looks like on the video, but it's a real red, winey, classy colour in the inside. Obviously two-tone black and garnet red, heated rear seats, rear climate control. You see this Meridian speaker here. You've also got electric reclining seats in the rear, keyless entry, protruding electric door handles, and then again we've got the electric memory seats, driver and passenger, the Meridian sound, this wonderful interior. The car's an absolute beauty. So sliding roof, electric deployable tow bar, switchable ambient lighting, 23-inch wheels, red calipers. For this price, it's just a wow. Sound like a salesman, don't I? Then, inside, switchable cockpit, 33,000 miles, one owner from you, there you go. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise with lane assist, massive touchscreen. Under that screen we've got wireless phone charging, digital climate control with heated front seats, keyless entry, keyless start. Obviously wireless smartphone integration and loads of different, you can play around with this car. It's got so many different settings. Apple Android CarPlay. Of course you probably will use your phone's interface through this car. And then we've got that wonderful camera system, reverse camera, top view camera, surround view 3D camera, check that out. And then we've got, with the tow bar, the towing camera as well, which I'm probably sure you will use. 2 keys, sliding roof. This is a top car, it really is. Say no more, it's on the website now. If you want to buy it, my name's Richard. Call me on my number on the screen, drop me a WhatsApp, give me a call. Simple and easy buying process. I know for a fact that because we haven't got any others and people like to buy cars from us, and this car is an exceptional buy with the options, it'll sell straight away. Wonderful sport, D300 Dynamic SE on the website now. Thanks for watching.